So, do you have a metal building that's all dirty, got some cobwebs, got some mold growing on here? This is north facing side on the windows, all kinds of great stuff. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean this building in this video. Jason Guyman here with pressurewashhelp.com to help you grow your business, be successful, and to change your life. So, right now, what we're going to use is, we're going to use a house wash mix, kind of the same mixture, you know, about I downstream 10 to 1, and then I mix about 50-50 water to soap, water to sodium hypochlorite. Now, on a metal structure, we really don't want a lot of surfactant in there. We really just want the sodium hypochlorite, just because we really don't want the surfactant to stick to the building. We want it to kind of run off so we can make it do it. So we're going to do the same thing. Start at the bottom, get a nice play with the wind. Let me get the soap coming. We're going to play with the wind. So I'm not going to be in the wind. I'm going to sit right here, soap this all down, keep moving. Like I say, I'm going to play with the wind. I don't want to get a bunch of soap on me. Bring it on the way down here. And all we need is a nice little coat on it. Now the gutters, it might take a little bit because it's pretty standing mold up there. This will get all the cobwebs off, mold off the windows, the black mold around the windows. Bring it all the way down here, get all the to the back side here. Now this is a short building barn. You know, I'll take a little bit stronger nozzle here and just hit that gutter one more time because it's pretty bad. It's actually pretty funky, but it is coming clean. Bring it all the way down here. All right, since this is a small building, I'll go ahead and hit the front side here too. Get a nice coating on everything. Make it look new. That's what we want to do. Make stuff look new, make it look good and clean. The old star up there had some mold on it pretty good. We really don't want this to dry on there either. If it dries under, that can give us some issues. We don't want no issues. I'd always like hitting that. Usually a lot of times this metal piece will have quite a bit of heat up there and it will cause it to do it. Turn my soap off. All right, my soap's turned off. I still have a line full of soap, so I'm going to hit this gutter one more time. Just help remove anything that's still on it, maybe. With my good soap. And then I'm just going to rinse everything good. And it's removing all the mold. Kind of take a section and then just rinse down. Rinse that siding real good, get all that soap off there. Any bugs left. Rinse all the way down. Move over. Do the next section right here. Rinse down. Makes it look brand new again. Windows look all new. You got all the mold, all the crud off of them. Move to the next section. We're going to rinse again. And again, like I say, rinsing is important. It's one thing to get the soap on there. It's another thing to get the soap off. If we don't get the soap off before it dries, it'll start making them windows look all funky. It just makes it not look good. It can cause oxidation, it can cause the metal to oxidize, it can cause all kinds of crap here. So we want to rinse really good before it dries. We don't really want it to dry on it. This is one reason why I like to do one side at a time, which this little barn here wasn't that big, and so I wasn't worried about it drying because I knew I could get to the garage side over here in time to rinse it all down. We're just going to start up here at the top, get it all good rinsed. It can look brand new again. The old green thing star is bleeding a little bit, so I'm not going to bleed it too much. Just rinse it down nice. Bring all of it down, bring it nice and neat. Make it look new. I might hit them seals again because I didn't know if they come clean or not. Sometimes they come clean, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they feel like a nut, sometimes they don't. I try to stay away. Electrical outlets, don't put no more water around them than we need. Don't need a lot of water, don't put a lot of water. That's kind of my philosophy of it. People do take them. Out of the 8 years I've done it, I'm not going to say, I've had a few pop a breaker, but I've never really had an issue out of them. And that's basically how we do a metal building. We can make a metal building look brand new again. If we don't let it go too far, it's actually good. If we let it go too far and it got a lot of oxidation, we can still remove the mold, but the oxidation is still going to be there. So, that's the good thing about cleaning this barn. If you'd like to learn about how to build a pressure washer rig to make a lot of money, go check me out and go look at my next video, and I'll see you there.